Welcome to another video of our channel, where we produce contents that help people in any kind of way, may it be tech, business, making money, or anything under the sun. We want to provide contents that are useful to the community. For today's video, I'll show you how to create installation media for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Things you will need to create installation media is a working computer with at least Windows 10 operating system, a flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes capacity, and a stable internet connection. There are questions from my other videos on how to repair their Windows, and we will tackle that today as well. To start, open a browser and search Windows 10 download Microsoft.com. Then click Download Windows 10 Disk Image. Scroll down and click Download Now button. Save the file to your folder and open it to start. Wait for the installation to start and pop up, as it will in a few seconds. Let's minimize this and let me refresh the page. Here it is. So click yes once it prompts. And the creation of the installation media will get started. And here it is. It's working on it right now. Wait until you will see notices and license terms. You just need to agree and accept the terms. Here it is. Click accept. Wait for it to load. And wait for the next prompt. Here you have two options. You will select upgrade this PC now to repair your Windows, and you have to click next. But for now, to create installation media, select the second option and click next again. So select your language, your edition, the architecture, and you will have to click next to continue. You will see two options again. You want to select USB flash drive to make the device bootable, and you're going to click next again. Confirm the USB flash drive name and click next. It will go through a few processes to download, installation, and creation of the tool. It may take a while to complete depending on your internet connection speed. But once finished, you will have your USB flash drive ready to install Windows. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you.